गाइस आज मैं बर्गर बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। सोया नगेट्स मैंने 60 ग्राम्स सोक करके रेडी कर लिए हैं। Getting inspired from a lot of things that I see on internet and Facebook. Yeah, so getting my soya nuggets ready. 60 grams of soya nuggets soaked in water, and that's some paneer. Let's see how much it is. 113 grams. I think that's enough for the meal for the time being. Yeah. And let's see what else. These burger buns from Harvest Gold per 100 grams is 200 and something 86 calories, and they have around 11 grams of protein. So that would mean one bun would have 150 calories and approximately 5-6 grams of protein. So I'm gonna use one bun only for the time being. So अभी मैं से बीवी पीस दी है. So this is how it looks right now. I think I need to do more of it. So this is how the paste has become now. See the texture. पनीर को मैश कर दिया है. तुम्हारे काम के लिए नहीं बोल रहा, अपने काम के लिए बोल रहा हूँ.
मेरा भी मुश्किल है।
हाँ, तुम्हारा तो है ही मुश्किल. खैर, सबको अपना काम मुश्किल लगता है. सबसे मुश्किल काम होता है फूड ब्लॉगिंग. खाना बनाएं, खाएं, करें क्या करें. देखो पनीर मैश कर रहे हैं इसके अंदर. Okay, a lot of masalas in it, and I'm adding some aloo as well just to make sure the stickiness. First I'll try some little masalas. I think you can add whatever you want, right? I've done garlic, I've done chili powder, and random garam masala, dhania powder and whatever. So let's add some aloo and see how the stickiness goes now. Yeah. See, these 3 patties bani hai from the mix that I showed you, right? That was like 100 grams of paneer and 60 grams of soya chunks. Decent size, not the biggest, but better than what you get in market, right? So we will now put them on tawa, one after the other, and a lot of veggies here, which are good for health, of course. But let's fry the tikkis now. Yeah, get the texture is beautiful. No doubt about it. And comparing it with the aloo tikki here, this is pure aloo tikki. ये मोटे लोग खा रहे हैं, सॉरी पतले लोग खा रहे हैं, और ये हम लोगों के लिए बन रही है भाई. तो थोड़ी सी ब्रेकेज which was expected, and I'm giving it some more time so that it cooks from the inside. Easy peasy. Though it's not meat, don't need to really cook it a lot. It's all like paneer and soya and whatever, so it's kind of cooked, but still let's give it some time and let it cook from inside. This little pack of mayo, Eric Bergen. So this is how it looks. Sorry for the little mess, but you can check the texture. I'm gonna cut the video and spread it and then get back to you. This is the mayo here by this company. Now let's put some veggies. 2 pieces of cucumber should be okay. Rest I'm gonna eat them in salad. A piece of onion, maybe another small piece of onion, tomato. I'm gonna cut a little thin slice of tomato again, a little sprinkling of chaat masala, just to get the, I don't know why, but yeah, why not. Alright, a slice of cheese. Why on top of vegetables? Because I'm gonna put the hot tikki on here, and the cheese is gonna melt and maybe make my vegetables sticky and not fall out. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Keeping the tikki, the patty on top. Yep, that's probably about it. Another cheese. Cheese लगाना इस पे अब. Now double triple cheese. लगा दो इस पे मम्मी वो bun. बीच में से देखना कटेगा. क्या फैलेगा? क्या बोलते हो? फैल जाएगा तो ऐसे खा लेते हैं इसको. Gents, this is how the meal looks like now. I would think this is around 55 to 60 grams of protein. Mix of both animal as well as vegan proteins, because there is a lot of soya in it and a lot of paneer and some cheese slices, and of course there is some bread in there, which is again vegan protein, some carbs. Unhealthy because there is some maida, but it says atta, but then is wheat and some potatoes fried, and there is a lot of fiber in there. So good balanced meal, not most complicated thing to make, and something that I feel that even bachelors like me can do it easily in their bachelor pads or kitchens. So let's see how it tastes now. I'm sure it's gonna be good as long as it's healthy. I don't mind. Yeah. Cheers, guys. That's about it. Bye.